Let's find the absolute value of the following quantity and simplify. The quantity of the absolute value of -5/9 plus the absolute value of 1/4, and to that let's add the absolute value of 4. To do this, we'll first find the absolute value of the numbers within the quantity and add them together afterwards. Then we'll also find the absolute value of 4 and add that to our result. So let's write down the quantity of, and to find the absolute value of a number, we'll write the number again without the absolute value symbol or its sign. So the absolute value of -5/9 becomes 5/9 plus, and the absolute value of 1/4 is 1/4. Next, let's add that to the absolute value of 4 will become 4. So we're left now with the quantity of 5/9 plus 1/4, and then to that let's add 4. So let's work within the quantity symbol first, the brackets. To add two fractions together, we'll need common denominators, and the smallest common denominator both 9 and 4 divide into is 36. So within our brackets, we'd like both of these fractions to have a common denominator of 36. We're going to add to that. To change each one of these fractions, we'll multiply numerator and denominator by something so that the denominator will become 36. So multiplying by 4 times 9 is 36, we'll multiply numerator by 4 to get 4 times 5 is 20. Similarly, multiplying 1/4 by something, we'll multiply numerator and denominator both by 36, by a number to get 36. So let's multiply 4 by 9 to get 36, and we'll multiply the numerator by 9 as well. So 1 times 9 becomes 9. To this expression, we'll also add 4. So now that we have common denominators, we'll add 36 plus 936 means we'll add the numerators over the common denominator. So 20 plus 9 becomes 29. So 29/36 now plus 4. To add these two fractions together, we first need to write 4 as 4/1 and then convert 4/1 to a fraction that also has a common denominator of 36. And we see that the common denominator between 36 and 1 is 36. So we now need to change both of these numbers to a fraction with common denominators. The first fraction remains the same, 29/36. Let's multiply our second number, numerator and by denominator, by 36. Sorry about that. So multiplying the denominator by 36 and numerator by 36, we'll have a common denominator of 36. 4 times 36 becomes 144. So now that we have a common denominator, we'll write this over the common denominator and add the numerators. 29 plus 144 becomes 173. So the answer is 173/36.